G'day guys, and welcome to another episode of Paul's Garage. Today I'm starting a bit of a video on installing some new cupboards in the shed, and they'll be on that wall directly behind me there. So they'll take up that full section of wall. So there's top cupboards, two tall cupboards. Now these cupboards are coming from Victoria, so this is we're actually 4th of March today. Cupboards won't be here until mid to late April, but I'm going to start the prep work today. I've got to move that stuff that's on that wall there, and I'm going to put some MDF boards up on the wall. I'm going to paint part section of the board once I put it up there, simply because most of it will be covered by cupboards, and the middle section I'm going to put some mini orb in there to match what I've done in the rest of the shed. You can see the lower part of the shed there, it's got the mini orb. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the Gordini out of the way. Going to have to move the XJC that you can see behind me there now. Move that out of the way. I've already got the boards ready to be done, and I'll just give them a coat of sealer and a coat of colour, and we'll bung them up. And the next part of the thing will be unboxing and installing the cupboards. So let's get a crack on. So as you can see behind me, all the cupboards have arrived, and they're ready to be unboxed. So we'll unbox them and we'll start installing them and see how that goes. I've got Tess the technician with me here today too. Give me a hand. Come here, Tess. Come say hi. Come here. Turn around. Oh, Mr. Big Fat Girl up. There she is. Say hello. Tess will give me a bit of a hand, or not. So both boxes pretty much contain the same thing. As you can see, I've just sort of put it all roughly together over there. I'll put the bench on in a minute, and the only problem is it's supposed to be 1900 high. As you can see, that picture of that Alpine up there is to the underside of it. It's about 1905, but they're 1920 high. So I'm going to have to cut part of the frame to get the top cupboards up, but that'll be a job for tomorrow. I'll get this bench top put on and get it all sort of leveled up, and we'll go from there. Alright, of course these little cupboards all go up there like so. All three of them, but unfortunately I got to cut part of that picture frame. But that's alright. I think I can cope with that. So as you can see behind me here, there's a fair bit of mess to clean up. A lot of plastic, a lot of polystyrene, and a lot of cardboard. So it would appear there will be a trip to the tip in my future. So all I've got to do now is put the mini orb in there and we're done. I think it looks alright. Just turn those top handles around now and give it a vacuum out and move some of the junk out of the way so I can put the cars back in the shed. Alright, well that's it. That's our cupboards. That's our unboxing. And yeah, I got quite a bit of mess to clean up. Anyway, that's it for this episode. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe, and do whatever you think you need to do. I'll see you next time.